Well, morning. We are at the camping car Aire at Ypres. It's just to the south of the town. It's close to Zillebeek. It's got 17 spaces. I know you ain't going to be able to see me very much behind there. Got a service point that's at the top end, outside of the barrier. So I think it's €1 for 5 minutes of water. There appears to be a fluid swap over, a drain and so on. Got bins here to use, and we're just about to go and have a walk around the lake. Distance to the centre of Ypres, I think it's about a 25-minute walk or a 10-minute cycle. But the reason a lot of people are going to come here is the vast multitude of war graves that are here. There's this was part of the front line. We've got Hill 60 a little distance down there. We've got bunkers here, and there's a grave over there. I'm just going to flip it round. You can quite clearly see that over there we've got one cemetery, and that just through the trees appears to be an old wartime bunker, but I may be wrong.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
This lake was created in the 13th century, just to the west of Zillebeek village. It was to give drinking water to the ever-expanding town of Ypres, for people to drink, and also for the production of cloth, which the area is famous for. But when they built the canal, they also used it to feed the canal. You wouldn't have thought that something like that had been here for nearly 800 years, pretty much in the shape it is now. I think that looks like it's aerating the water to keep fish healthy, and I believe that people swim here in the summer.
This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be.
The erratic way that this portion of the cemetery is laid out, with small groups, individuals, twos, threes, dates from the earliest date of the fighting. Normally the graveyards are laid out in straight lines, but as you can see here, they cross different ways, they face different ways, and the circular ones at the top were ones that were destroyed by shell fire, and the other smaller circle were from two smaller graveyards that were incorporated into this one. The bodies were moved. But I'm trying to find a Victoria Cross winner that's here.
Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore. Better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore. for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the